All right, here we go. Real quick video, real quick. All right, so 2010 Pilot. There it is, 2010 Pilot. All right, down underneath, drain plug, stripped. I can actually push it in. Push it right in. It doesn't even strike anymore. The threads are all gone. All right, went to the local Ace hardware store. I can't watch this great video by this guy. He showed me how to make a thread chaser and everything out of an oversized bolt on the video. It's a very good video. All right, but anyway, I went to my local Ace to get a thing, and here it is, Ace Hardware. It's in the drawer under drain pan plugs. 1/2 inch, oversized, already has the cutters in it. See that? Amazing. Brought it home, put it in, screwed it down finger tight. Already put it in once, folks. Stripped the threads out and cut the threads already. All right, that's it. It's in. This thing works. All right, if you have an M14 and a Honda, well, aluminum drain pan anyway, M14, this 1/2 inch, oversized. It says right on the bin, drain plugs at Ace Hardware, and it says 1/2 inch, and next to it said 1/2 inch oversized, and you see it already has the cutting. It's already in there for cutting your threads. Okay, that's it. This will fix your video. This will fix your problem. No problem.